fall.
Hey guys, it's AK Gaming here. So, today we're back with another pack opening. I'm going to be opening packs over 2 days, so over Saturday and Sunday. And I'll put both videos together. And yeah, let's see if we can get any good players. So, first pack. I think there's 99 Ebra in stores, so I hope we can get him. And the first pack is horrible. It sucks. Okay, second pack is usually when we get some good players, so we'll do no reaction pack for the second pack.
Oh, hell no!
Java pack. Just cause, well, I don't know. Oh, team season Maxwell. Good job, pack work. That card's super well. But yeah, I'll take team season Maxwell. There's a struggle. And we get Remy. Let's do another Fujara pack. If we get someone good in this pack, I will smash this Fujara into my head. And we get another one. So you're not gonna see me smashing a Fujara into my head. Let's try a pear pack. Don't know why I'm putting heaps of fruit. And we get lamb. Oh, 87 rank lamb. That's sick. Oh, these superstitions are actually working. Okay, let's do another camera pack. Oh, we get Hummels. Oh, that's sick. That actually works. It's pretty sick. Finally got a good player. But you know what? Let's sort the star pack. Oh no, I discarded it in form. I finally got a good card and I had to discard it. Okay, last pack. Let's make a no reaction pack. Okay, that's alright. But story. That's not a bad way to finish. Why do I keep stuffing up? That's not a bad way to finish off day one. So yeah, day two. Here we come. Hey guys, welcome back to day 2 of the pack opening. Hopefully our pack luck's better than yesterday's pack luck. RIP pack luck. But first of all, I'd like to congratulate Real Madrid on winning the Champions League final this morning.
Ronaldo to win the Champions League. And he does do! Real Madrid have won the Champions League for the 11th time.
They deserved it. I reckon. No, I wanted them to win just because Atletico knocked out Bayern and Bayern's my team. So yeah, it was good watching them lose. But yeah, first of all, I'm going to start off with exchange. Just one, because I've got no other good players. So first exchange, we're only going to do one though. Come on, give me a blue, and we get Ivanovic and Subotic. Come on, give me a blue. Give me a blue just to start off the pack opening, and we get Kramer. That sucks. I don't want Volland. Volland sucks. I want team of the season, Ibrahimovic. Yeah, let's do a leave the room pack. What have we got? Oh, we got Navas. Are they still on packs? They've been in the pack for 2 days. 2 days. And I just got Navas. What the hell? Well, that's good. That means I can pick 99 Ronaldo and 98 Messi. I thought they went out of packs last night because I picked Navas again last night. But then I thought EA must have made a mistake. They're going to take them out of packs again. No, they're going to take them out of packs today. But he's still on packs. That's awesome. Okay, team of the season Ronaldo, here I come. Oh, come on EA, give me some blues, and I just cracked. You know, we haven't done an apple pack yet. So yeah, hopefully this superstition works. Oh, team of the season will work. It actually worked. Well, I should do more superstitions. Just because it worked last time, I'm going to do another leave the room pack. So yeah, come on, give me someone good. Oh, team of the season Inuma. Oh my god, these superstitions are actually working. And we're finally getting good players. You know what the funny thing is though, the last leave the room pack I done, I got a blue as well, and it was a goalkeeper as well, so. Okay, let's do a no look pack. Not opened yet. Is that it? Oh, yeah, Chris Smalling, that's alright. That's the end of the pack opening, guys. At least we've got a few team of the seasons. I think we've got 4 together. Yeah, 4. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I'll probably bring out some more videos on Thursday and Friday, like special Thursday or Friday videos, just because that's usually when the pack luck, or usually when the pack weight is increased. So that's usually when everyone gets the team of the seasons. So yeah, I'll do a video again. And yeah, thanks guys. Later.